What's up, guys? It's your girl DiamondReeise, and I'm back with another video. So today we are gonna be making covered strawberries, right, for Valentine's Day. So I wanted to upload this real quick for y'all, so y'all could, probably do something for your boo thing. So today we have some chocolate. I have some almond bark right here. It's vanilla flavoring, and then over here we also have almond bark chocolate. So with these chocolates, we're gonna actually put them in a bowl right there, like this, just like that. And what you're gonna do is also take these chocolates and put them in a microwave for like 30 seconds. So and let them melt. Make sure they melt all the way and everything. But also remember to clean your strawberries before you start anything. Clean them thoroughly, dry them off, and you can let them air dry and dry them off as well. And that's what I did here. Now that I took out my chocolate out the microwave, I actually mixed it up with a spoon and make sure that it came out a little bit more smoother. You could use wax paper, or you could use a plate or whatever if you don't have wax paper. I don't have any wax paper right now. Before you start dumping your strawberries inside the chocolate, make sure it's cooled down to room temperature. So now mine is actually cooled down. I'm taking one of these strawberries. I'm gonna just pull it by its little hair as much as I could get, like that. And I'm gonna dump it right in there. There you go. You're gonna do that for a couple of all your strawberries, something in there. I wish it came out a little bit more smoother, but it's okay, Now what you're gonna do is just keep repeating the same process, dumping your strawberries inside the chocolate, hold all the hairs up, and you're just gonna flip it back and forth just like that and get all the chocolate onto the strawberries. Yum, look at that. we're gonna use sprinkles, and that's what we use right here. We use 24 karat gold that I got off Amazon. And then we got Butterfingers, and then we got these little balls right here. We might use it, we might not. We're gonna see how it come out. But yeah. So the next thing we're gonna use is our chocolate, and we're gonna drizzle some of these strawberries. Okay, so let's go. Now we're gonna drizzle the chocolate onto our strawberries. I'm not very good at this, so I'm gonna do my best. I might make some mistakes, but we're gonna just keep going with the punches, okay, guys? It doesn't go in. So we messed those up, right? So what I did, I put some of the chocolate at the bottom of the spoon like that, and then I just started going in a line like that. It's probably better if you have a piping bag. These strawberries are looking wonderful to me. Now we're gonna start adding other decorations onto these strawberries, and you're gonna see at the end it's gonna look so amazing. Even though I made little tiny mistakes, it's okay. So now I'm adding on some of the Reese's buttercup little dessert treats on top. Now I'm gonna dust some of the little bit of candy on top of the little tiny strawberry, just like this. Now I'm gonna add some more to this strawberry right here, right in the middle. Just dust it on there. Yeah, I know these strawberries gonna taste so good because these are my favorite treats to actually eat, and just eating on a strawberry, it's gonna take good. Sprinkles, and you have some of them with the gold and chocolate. Now I'm gonna put the little tiny pearl balls on the strawberries. I like it a little bit wet so the balls could actually stick to it. If it doesn't, it is okay, but you know, I'm gonna still make it look nice either way. Like that. And then like you could mix some of them. This is like a DIY at home trying to make chocolate strawberries. So as you notice, I didn't really do anything to this strawberry but put gold on the top. So I thought about, why don't I dip it inside the chocolate and make it white chocolate and milk chocolate with a little gold on top? Wouldn't that be cool? Now you can finally say that all my strawberries are looking kind of professional, don't they? Even though they came out ugly in the beginning, the ending is so amazing. They look nice. I love them. I'm gonna enjoy them after this video. I had to end this video with a bang, so I definitely took some of that 24 karat gold glitter and I dusted on some of the strawberries so it could give it that finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, but this is how all my strawberries came out looking at the end. Don't they look like I just bought them from somebody? No, it was made by me, DiamondReeise. Thank you guys for actually watching. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and make sure you comment below and tell me what would you like to see next. I mean, girl, look at these strawberries. They went from bougie to girl, you got this. I'll see y'all later. It's your girl DiamondReeise, and I am out. Woo! I just want to show you. It's so good. So good. Look at the gold in there. Those are amazing. Y'all enjoy. Bye, guys.